16 miles of no curvature is what we're going to be looking at in today's video. So as you can see here, on one side of the lake shore will be a Nikon P900 camera on a tripod, and it will be directed 16.15 miles across the lake to this huge water tower that stands 140 feet in height. Now, according to the calculations of NASA and the science world, this tower should not be visible from 16.15 miles away. And the trees below it, the tree line below it, most definitely should not be visible from 16.15 miles away. So let's get it on. Let's see what happens. Now, as you can see here, the camera is stationed 48 inches, 4 foot above the ground. Now, using NASA's calculation, we are expected to see only the top of the water tower due to the curvature of the Earth. But as you can see here, you can see the tower and the tree line. They're both completely in view. So let's pan back out and then we'll zoom in again so you know that this is not any camera tricks. And there's the tower and the trees right in view. Now, as you can see here, the camera has been lowered to 10 inches above the ground, which should make the water tower not visible at all. But as we zoom in, you can see with your own eyes, it's just as visible at 10 inches above the ground as it was at 48 inches above the ground. Now, if we enhance the color, we could take away some of the haze, giving you a better view of the tower. So, as you can see, at 16.15 miles away, the Earth is still flat. And I'm not saying that just because that's what I believe. Let's be fair here. I'm going by science's calculations right here. The Pythagorean proof of curvature for a ball with a radius of 3,959 miles. Okay, now check this out. Now, I'm too lazy to do the exact math on it, so if you don't like the way I do this, you can do your own math. But by using so-called science, NASA science, the AutoCAD says at 20 miles away, there should be 266 feet of curvature. Do you see that with your own eyes? At 20 miles away, there should be 266 foot of curvature. But at 16.15 miles away, we just looked at a 140-foot tower that's supposed to have 266 feet of curvature blocking that tower. Just like, remember when they told us that the boat disappears on the ocean because it went over the curvature of the earth? And of course we believe that because we didn't see the boat anymore with the naked eye. But when you take the same camera and you zoom 16 miles out onto the ocean, guess what pops back into view? The boat, baby. Now, if you still believe the earth is a globe, it's all good. I did too. For 40 years, I believed it until I started doing some research and digging into things and going and measuring things and filming things for myself. And you know what I come to find out? That it's flat.